Hi, I'm Charmy Lord, and it's Cocktail Friday. And I gotta say, I'm in a mango kind of mood. Big fat snowflakes falling out there again. It's been quite a snowy February. Anyway, I'm gonna do a mango mojito. If you wanted to be nice to your children, you could make it a mocktail. Skip the rum. But to be honest, I'm kind of using what I have in my pantry because it's snowing so hard that I couldn't imagine going outside. So here's what we have. We have about 8 mint leaves. We have 3 teaspoons of lime juice, 3 teaspoons of agave. You could use honey, of course. 2 ounces of dark rum. You could also use light rum. And I'm going to mull this gently. Not too hard, just, to release some of the mint flavor. I have one of these springy ones, like a pogo stick. And then I'm going to add a cup of mango nectar. Give that a good shake. And then 3/4 full with this lovely mixture. And then just a little splash of this fabulous Sicilian club soda. Yes, yes, yes. And then to make pretty, I still have some star fruit going. Get in there. And why not a little more lime and a little more mint. Happy Friday! Stay warm. I think this needs a little stir. Sorry, I forgot my spoon. Guess we'll use the knife. Stay warm. Stay well.